HyperX has added a new addition to their range of gaming headsets this week with the unveiling of the new HyperX Cloud Revolver Gunmetal gaming headset, which will soon be available to purchase. Taking design elements from the already available HyperX Cloud Revolver S headset in the form of the award-winning HyperX memory foam, which has been designed to provide gamers with unmatched level of comfort, allowing you to game longer in more comfort. Equipped with next-generation drivers to separate the lows, mids, and highs, the Revolver gaming headset range features stereo and plug-and-play Dolby 7.1 surround models, combined with studio-grade sound stages. As with the previously launched gaming headset, the design features a durable solid steel frame and is fitted with the signature HyperX memory foam. Other features of the gaming headset include TeamSpeak and Discord certified noise-canceling mic, next-gen 50mm directional drivers pump out precise audio, and the gaming headset is multi-platform compatible. If you're serious about gaming, you need a headset that will give you the maximum competitive advantage. The HyperX Cloud Revolver line is premium-grade gear, meticulously designed to meet the demands of the elite PC or console gamer.